If you've been searching for a pasta pot that can handle everything from your longest spaghetti strands to a rich, savory stew, this Bialetti 6-quart pasta pot with strainer lid is the kitchen tool you've been waiting for. This pot doesn't just cook pasta, it's a versatile, multi-purpose cooking vessel that brings ease, style, and functionality into your kitchen. But is this pot really as great as it sounds? In this detailed review, we'll take you through its key features and benefits to help you make an informed purchase. Let's dive in. Why you'll love the Bialetti 6-quart pasta pot. Number 1. 6-quart capacity for larger meals. The Bialetti 6-quart pasta pot offers a generous 6-quart capacity, making it the perfect size for family dinners or preparing meals for a small gathering. Whether you're cooking a hearty batch of spaghetti, a flavorful lasagna, or a vegetable-heavy stew, this pot has the room you need to cook without worrying about overcrowding. Perfect for spaghetti and long pasta. The elongated oval shape allows you to cook long pasta varieties like spaghetti and lasagna without them bending or breaking. Versatile for other dishes. Beyond pasta, this pot is great for preparing soups, stews, rice, curries, and even seafood like lobster or crab. Great for large batches. You can easily fit up to 6 ears of corn or several servings of potatoes, making it perfect for meal prep or feeding a crowd. Number 2. Lockable Strainer Lid for easy draining. One of the standout features of the Bialetti 6-quart pasta pot is its lockable strainer lid. No more struggling with a separate colander to drain your pasta. Simply twist and lock the lid into place, and you can easily strain away excess water without spilling any food. Secure straining. The lid features integrated straining holes that make draining faster, safer, and more convenient. Prevents spills. The locking mechanism ensures that your pasta stays in the pot while you drain the water, avoiding any accidental messes. Steam venting. The lid allows steam to escape safely, preventing pressure buildup while still keeping the heat inside. This design innovation makes cooking more efficient, reducing time spent on cleanup and allowing you to focus more on what matters. Your meal. Number 3. Ergonomic, heat-resistant handles for easy handling. The heat-resistant handles of the Bialetti 6-quart pasta pot are designed with comfort and safety in mind. The handles stay cool even during cooking, making it easy to lift and transfer the pot without burning your hands. Comfortable grip. The ergonomic design provides a secure grip, even when the pot is heavy with food. Heat-resistant. You don't have to worry about grabbing a hot handle. These handles remain cool to the touch, even during high-heat cooking. Number 4. Nonstick stainless steel interior for easy food release. Let's talk about the nonstick interior. The Bialetti 6-quart pasta pot is crafted from durable stainless steel and features a PFOA-free nonstick coating that allows for easy food release and hassle-free cleanup. No more worrying about pasta or other foods sticking to the bottom of the pot. PFOA-free nonstick coating. The non-toxic coating ensures healthier cooking, and the food slides off effortlessly. Mess-free cooking. Because food doesn't stick, cleaning up afterward is a breeze, reducing the time spent scrubbing pots. Consistent heat distribution. The non-stick surface also ensures even heat distribution, so your meals cook evenly without any burnt spots. Number 5. Multi-purpose design for all types of dishes. While the Bialetti 6-quart pasta pot is designed with pasta in mind, its versatility makes it perfect for a wide range of other dishes as well. From boiling vegetables to simmering hearty stews, this pot is as much of an all-rounder as you'll find. Ideal for soups and stews. The large size allows you to make big batches of soup or stew, perfect for meal prepping or feeding a family. Great for boiling vegetables, cooked potatoes, corn, or any vegetables that require boiling. Seafood boils. This pot can handle large seafood boils. Just toss in shrimp, lobster, or crabs and cook to perfection. Final thoughts. Should you buy the Bialetti 6-quart pasta pot? If you love cooking pasta and preparing large meals for your family or guests, the Bialetti 6-quart pasta pot with strainer lid is an indispensable kitchen tool. With its generous size, lockable strainer lid, ergonomic handles, and non-stick interior, it offers convenience and performance that can't be matched by ordinary pots. Whether you're making a simple pasta dinner, preparing a hearty stew, or steaming vegetables, this pot delivers consistent results every time. Plus, the easy-to-clean design ensures you'll spend less time washing up and more time enjoying your meal. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.